The market theme: no ray of hope after Nifty's 5-session losing streak? Our call of the day: expect cautious trade, with stock-specific action commanding attention. The trading theme is likely to revolve around 1. Crude oil, the biggest spoil sport. 2. Persistent Middle East tensions. 3. Continued weakness in IT stocks. 4. Wall Street's subdued performance. Bottom line: trade light and stay selective. Stock-specific action will remain the preferred strategy. Market trend dashboard. Global cues, mildly negative. FII activity, minus 2,535 rupees crore. DII activity, plus 5,102 crore. Brent crude, $88.75. Overall sentiment, cautious. Market breadth, mixed. Nifty's technical setup, massive consolidation. Broad Fano zone, 24,000 to 25,000. USD INR August futures, around 95 rupees and 62 paise. Volatility and derivatives. India VIX, 11.32. 25th August expiry bias, defensive positioning persists despite historically subdued volatility. Nifty PCR, around 0.99. Bank Nifty PCR, around 0.83. FI Nifty PCR, around 0.59. Midcap Nifty PCR, around 1.02. Low volatility should not be mistaken for low risk. The Strait of Hormuz remains capable of triggering a sudden spike in crude and option premiums. Nifty outlook: avoid premature aggression. What technicals tell us about Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty? Nifty, 24,288. Support, 24,201 by 24,000. Resistance, 24,584 by 24,774. Expected range, 24,200 to 24,400. Bias, neutral. 21 DMA at 24,322. 50 DMA at 24,103. 200 DMA at 24,723. Sensex, 77,728. Support, 77,300 by 76,500. Resistance, 78,500 by 79,367. Expected range, 77,200 to 78,200. Bias, neutral. 21 DMA at 77,774. 50 DMA at 77,115. 200 DMA at 79,834. Bank Nifty, 57,498. Make or break support, 56,700. Immediate resistance, 58,248. Major resistance, 58,706. Expected range, 57,000 to 58,000. Bias, neutral. 21 DMA at 57,476. 50 DMA at 57,396. 200 DMA at 57,472. Stock market news. Markets are looking calm on the surface, but Nifty's 5-session losing streak and Brent crude near $90 demands caution. The Gyan mantra is simple: favor earnings-backed stocks and beneficiaries of India's manufacturing and defense push, but turn aggressively bullish only above Nifty 24,584. Sectors likely to outperform. Realty, stable interest rate expectations, strong housing demand and sector rotation could sustain selective buying. Metals, tightening global supply and firm base metal prices remain supportive. Defense and aerospace, the RIL Rolls-Royce AMCA proposal and HAL's partnership with Adani Defense and BEML strengthen the indigenous manufacturing theme. Upstream oil and gas, elevated crude prices could benefit ONGC and Oil India. Sectors likely to underperform. Information technology. Aviation. Paints, tires and chemicals. Oil marketing companies. Banking and financial services. Margin concerns and Bank Nifty's weak technical setup remain overhangs. Stocks to watch. Positive bias. Reliance Industries, a positive outlook after the proposed Rolls-Royce partnership for developing an indigenous AMCA combat engine. BEML, its participation in HAL's indigenous helicopter manufacturing ecosystem offers a positive long-term trigger. Hindalco, the stock gained over 2% on Monday amid strength in metals and supportive global supply dynamics. Tata Steel, the stock outperformed the weak market as buying interest returned to the metals space. DLF and Godrej Properties, realty stocks could remain in focus following Monday's sectoral outperformance. Mixed bias. ICICI Bank, the stock displayed relative resilience, but broader bank Nifty momentum remains range-bound. Negative bias. Infosys, TCS and HCL Technologies, IT stocks may remain under pressure after leading Monday's decline. BSE Ltd, Jefferies downgrade to underperform and concerns over proprietary trading volumes remain overhangs. Tata Motors passenger vehicles, profit contraction and management's margin warning continue to cloud the outlook.